In February 1978, 5 men with mild disabilities left a basketball game in Yuba City, California. They never came home. Months later, their car was found on a remote mountain road, abandoned but drivable. Deep in the wilderness, 4 of the men were eventually located. The 5th was never seen again. One man had survived for weeks in a Forest Service trailer, surrounded by food and heat, but he didn't use it. His remains were found on a bed, covered by sheets. To this day, no one knows why they drove 70 miles into a snowstorm or what happened on that mountain.